So we decided to use new technologies here at Loizaba Conservancy to try to find new ways to monitor the impact of any control measure against the opuntia in a scientific way. The first technology that we're going to use is the 3D modeling of our sample areas, where we can calculate the volume of the opuntia patches and then compare that in the future to see if the biocontrol, for example, is affecting the volume of that specific patch. The second method is a technology normally used for vegetation health and precision agriculture, and that is near infrared or NDVI, and we're going to use that to try to map the opuntia cactus and then analyze the data and the maps with GIS.